Yeah, okay. Hello.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening, Akanksha Singh.
Yes, I'm
So how
Akanksha.
are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Thanks for asking about me. So actually, today our conversation should be, will be in based on one such, one condition. Condition is that first, tell me how long have you been on this application?
Not that much time. It means I would say it's been 6 months.
6 months. Okay. So how is your experience about this application?
That's very good.
That's very good. So can you explain a little bit?
Yes, before explaining everything, I would like to know about yourself. Please let me know about yourself a little bit.
Okay. I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Badauni district, and I did BCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. And I live in a village. That is my
Okay,
introduction.
you are a student.
Yeah, I'm a student.
Okay, that's good. Can I introduce myself a little bit?
Yeah, also you should introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay, this is Akanksha. I'm talking from Delhi. I'm a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my post graduation. Along with that, I have YouTube channel where I post English conversation videos and thoughts related English. And these days, I'm seeking my job as well.
Okay, that's great. So you are a child. You are a mother of two
Yes,
children.
children.
Okay.
Yes.
So being a mother, how difficult? Can you tell me?
No, it's not a difficult, I can say, because it's my daily routine. Because take care of them, it's my daily routine, it's my responsibilities. And if I feel it's my difficulty, then I cannot survive my life because my children is my happiness. And whatever I have responsibility, I try to do, give my best. And in terms of their life, terms of their future life, and they'll implement whatever they want to do. Just I try to give
Okay.
my best,
So, okay.
100%.
So how much responsibility you have towards them, your children, for your children?
Yes, too much, because being a mother, as you know, being a mother, if you have a children, then most probably you want to see the get success in their life for your children, and as much as possible you try to give your best for your children. And the same way, I'm a mother of two kids, and I also want to give my 100% for my children so they can get success in their life. In this time they are kids, they are not grown up. Yeah, somehow
Yeah.
I want to see the success, because since their childhood, if you give good environment at their home, then most probably you can see the result, right? And in this time I can say that I am giving the good environment at my home for improvement their English language. Because if I talk about my childhood, it was no any kind of environment, so I could speak English. But in this era, everyone children has a, not everyone I cannot say, but my children has an environment at my home because I have created environment for them. Because most of the time I try to speak English with them, right?
Yeah.
And so
Before
I can see the result.
yeah, before taking this conversation further, let me ask about some questions related, Delhi. So how is the weather over there?
Wow. It's very cloudy weather since morning. It's raining. That's why it's very difficult to be active in this day today. Because that's why I'm being lazy today, and just because of raining. outside. It's been raining since morning. That's why, even though I got ready my children for school, I packed their tiffin box, water bottle, and they dressed up already. However, they did not go to school because of raining season. Not a season. It's
Yes.
not a season. It's a winter season. But
Yeah.
uh,
Is it raining over there?
somehow it started raining since morning. It's
Since
very
more.
difficult to go outside. The morning
Okay.
time. That's why I thought, okay, it would be good if they stay at home today.
Yeah, okay. So how is the condition of education over there? Actually, it is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, you know.
Uttar Pradesh, Delhi.
Oh, sorry. Delhi. India.
Yes, yeah, it's a very good condition. I feel if I compare another city, another state, then it's a very good condition. I feel because I have I born and brought up in my native place like Jharkhand. Basically, I'm from Jharkhand, and that's why grown up over there, and I have completed my all education over there. Then I can say that it's very huge different. I can see huge different. I can see the in terms of education here in Delhi, different the way of getting education, it's different. And my city, it was different. Still it is different. That's why I would say, I would compare, it's a huge different, I feel. And
Okay.
if I talk about government school, its condition is very good. It seems like a private school. If you go through government school, you cannot believe it's a government school. It in terms of their education, in terms of their activities and facilities and everything, you can see like a private school.
So which government has done, this? Especially, government schools are
What
better over there.
sorry?
Government schools, you are saying that government schools are, better over there. So who do you think which government, done all these things?
Think in this time maybe I would say what is her name? Chief Minister. You are asking.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, her name is, I think, I forgot.
Yeah,
Have
that's
you
okay. Arvind Kejriwal.
not
Yeah.
Arvind?
Yeah,
No,
he
no, no.
resigned, I know, but I can't recall her name also. She's a woman. Yeah, I know.
Yes, woman. Yes, yes,
Okay. So can you tell me your daily routine in brief?
yes. My it's changeable. Sometimes it's in chains according to my situation. Sometime, but weekend I would say I get up late. Weekend only. But the rest of the days I wake up early morning because being a mother, I have to get ready for my children for school and tiffin box, everything. I have to get up. I have to get ready for them before going to school. That's why I get up early morning every day. Then I get them ready for school. Then I uh, go to kitchen in my kitchen and I start dusting and mopping these kind of things. This is my daily routine, which is finish every day. Then I take shower. After taking shower, I do puja as well every day. I do puja since my childhood. It is my habit, I would say. That's why I do puja every day. After having my puja, then I have my breakfast. After finishing my breakfast, I try to do my best, like whatever I want to do, like practice English, making short videos, making long videos, editing, these kind of things I do mostly in this time
Yeah, that's enough,
around
enough. Enough. Okay,
11
so
o'clock.
yeah, so where do you think you need to improve your spoken English and your English, especially?
Everywhere I feel I'm very beginner in this language because I need lots of improvement every area. But somehow I feel I got improvement if I compare before. but I have improved a lot. But I'm not satisfied with my language. I want to improve, and but I try to improve a lot in terms of vocabulary, and other than that, I can manage. No problem.
Okay. So, where do you think that
Your voice is
yeah,
not coming. Yes, sorry. Can you repeat?
hello?
Can you repeat once
Yeah,
again?
now, yeah, where do you think English is more difficult language? Where do you think? In terms of speaking, reading, writing, and pronunciation, and remembering vocabulary,
Writing, writing. I always
writing.
yes, I always feel like difficulties in terms of writing because yes, I can write no problem, but when it comes to write proper English, it means I make mistake a lot in terms of vocabularies, like spelling mistake. I make a lot. So my
Okay.
other
Okay,
than that,
Akansha ji.
sentence properly.
Yeah, okay, Akansha ji. Actually, right now, I have only 5 minutes for you, and feel free to ask if you have any question.
Yes, you keep asking me about me, but you did not give me chance to ask any question in terms of you. Okay, I have question for you. Eh, when did you start your speaking journey, and how is your condition of speaking? Please let me know.
Actually, I started. It's been, I think in 2000 during lockdown. I started speaking English and practicing and reading and listening, reading and learning sentences. And in terms of you are talking about how is my English today, so I think it's better than my past. And however, I need some improvements. Where vocabulary and especially idioms and phrases. Yeah, there are a lot of things to improve.
But speaking, you are speaking quite well
Thank you for
because
thank you for giving me your support and praising me. Yeah, but however, I think that I need to improve.
yes, we are learner. Being a learner, we should try to improve entire life because it is a ocean. This language is ocean where we need lot of improvement.
Yes,
Like
right.
cannot feel satisfaction in this language because this language is very vast. We can learn entire life.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
Ask any question further.
And I think you are from UP, right?
Yeah, I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh, and Bhadoi district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh, and it is between my district between Prayagraj and Varanasi.
So, and today's weather is also cloudy and raining,
No, no, it is okay. The weather is sunny.
but here
Yeah,
it's
but
raining.
here
So,
it is not cold.
oh,
Yeah,
why you
and
are
the wind
wearing
is
only one
blowing.
shirt?
Wind is blowing. Actually, and you can see that I am wearing one cloth only.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then I think you don't have much more time. That's why I would like to join later. No problem. And
Yeah, thank
thank you
you,
so much
Akansha.
for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Bye.